I'm gonna clean our temporary housing here in Japan. We've been in Osaka for a week now, and we've been to about 3 different places, and I really love the place that we're in right now. We're only here for one more day, but I wanted to get things cleaned up and show you all what it looks like. We are in a hotel. It's a really cool hotel. It's Bunkbed, the projector screen. And it's really cute and quaint. We do need something bigger if we're gonna stay here for a month, so we're gonna take care of that later. But yeah, clean up with me. Yay, to do something.
I got some sweet ones.
That's good. I'm just that's good. I'm gonna take a break, drink my coffee that my husband got me. And McDonald's for the morning. So we get up so early that we need to eat McDonald's because that's the only thing that's open. And then McDonald's is so good over here. It's not like how it is in the States where it's all this stuff in it and it doesn't make us sick, doesn't give us the runs. But it's pretty cool. So yeah, we're gonna eat our breakfast and now continue to clean.
Okay.
I got another drink. This little drink is so cool. It's like good. It's like a grape drink, but it tastes like wine without alcohol. It does. And I got a McGriddle. I haven't had McGriddles in so long. And I thought, hey, the food is better here. Let me try McGriddle. And it's so good. It's so good. Not much to do. It's a small kitchen. I was saying sorry to your dog and I thought it was you. I was like, I'm sorry, Eva. Oh my goodness. Eva's dog keeps freaking us out. Eva has this doll with her. And every time Dave and I look up here and we're like, we don't really see Ava. She's under the covers down there. We always say, oops, Ava, it's a stupid doll. This thing gets us all the time. It looks like, when it's under the cover, it looks like a person. Ava sleeps with her head in the covers. Just one of the cute things that happens in this hotel.
Oh no!
Our bathroom. It's very cute and quaint. This is my favorite part here. I love how it's like a wet shower. What do they call these, wet showers? Oh. All showers are wet. This is called a wet bath. So it's called a wet bath because there's a tub in here, but then there's also a shower next to it. So the babies can be in the bathtub playing while I'm taking a shower. And there's a mirror. I've never seen a shower with a mirror in it. I guess people like to look at themselves. And this door closes, so that keeps all the water from coming out of the shower into the sink area. I do love how all the sinks and the showers are separate from each other. Or the toilets, sorry. The toilets and the sinks are separate from each other, mostly showers too, because bathrooms can be a little gross, so you don't want to brush your teeth in the same place that you pee and poop. So I like the fact that they do this. They're very, what they've done here is just very tidy, very efficient, I guess. Okay, bye-bye. I guess he wants me stuck in the bathroom, huh? And that's tidying up our bathroom. Man, this area for the most part stays pretty clean, so it's not much really to do in here. So add some tissue, turn off the light. So we do have a washing machine in this hotel, which is so nice. A lot of places don't offer that. So this is, I mean, $50 a night for a washing machine and a kitchenette. This is just amazing to me. So right now what I'm doing is I am washing the clothes. Actually, they're done washing. There's this feature on here, right here, that is for air drying. And I put it on air dry so I can try to dry them out just a little bit before I hang them on the balcony, because it is supposed to rain today. And I don't want clothes to stay out there too long. I think it might be okay because it's under something. But so yeah, I'm going to take this rack here to the balcony and I'm going to hang some clothes. All right, so we have the drying rack out here, and Hollis wants to help. And I'm gonna just start hanging up the clothes.
I want to go out there.
And they drop pretty fast. It's like 100-something degrees here, so it dries in like an hour. So we'll take care of that when it's done. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put these back on air dry. And let these keep going. Like another hour left. There we go. Ooh, there we go. We'll come back when that's done and then we'll wash the white clothes. Oh, his diapers. I know. I was gonna be like, what happened to those soft diapers? What happened to those soft diapers? We gotta have some diapers from the mart here, and they're so much softer. I know, get a hold of them. So take like a bunch of them home and just potty train them so I don't have to use them again. And they're so soft. Like he's usually scratching his back and his little bottom with the ones from the States, but this one, he hasn't touched them, and they just feel comfortable, and they hold a lot of urine. So they're pretty good. They're pretty decent price too. How much were they for a 50 pack? It was only like $6 or something like that. It was super cheap. Yeah, I'm loving Japan. I'm loving the prices, I'm loving the efficiency, everything. But yeah, so that's our little apartment. I'm gonna just do a little walk around so y'all can see kind of like how it is. Of course, you take off your shoes and you put on the slippers. And then this is our little area right here. The balcony out there. You all right, baby? Our suitcases are here. It looks very narrow, but it's actually
Very big.
this space looks a little narrow, but it's actually pretty big. Our apartment that we just came from that we didn't end up going with because of the stairs, we ended up canceling, was super narrow. Like you come up the stairs, there's this narrow area that you can walk through, and then the bedroom's on one side, one is on the other side. There was no room for the kids to play, no room for anything in there but to just sleep. So this hotel, until we get to our new Airbnb, has been pretty nice, and we've been able to utilize this space. When we first got this, we didn't know it had a washer, so that was pretty cool. That was a bonus when you saw that. Dad saw that. Dad saw that. He thought you know, he's like, oh, we gotta wash and dry. I was just laughing back there. But yeah, it's our little spot. We love it. So yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing our little accommodation here at our hotel. We will be in a new place soon. We were in 2 places before this, and this is our little spot for one more day. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss you, bed. I'm gonna miss you, projector. All right, thank y'all for watching. Bye. Say bye, family.
Bye.